Hello, my name is Nathan Taylor, otherwise known as Sockmatician, and this is a video tutorial to accompany the Sockmatician's double knitted brioche ebook. This particular video shows you how to work the Blip-Free centered double decrease with setup. Now, I've already worked my double decrease setup in the previous row. As you can see, I've come back to the spot where I've got my 3 adjacent knit stitches sharing 1 single yarn over, followed by my 3 adjacent purl stitches, all sharing 1 yarn over as well. Here's how it's done. Starting with my knit coloured yarn at the back of the work, going over the top of the right needle, and my purl coloured yarn at the front of the work, I'm going to slip 2 stitches together and knitwise with the shared yarn over from the left needle to the right. Then I'm going to slip the yarn over on its own, knitwise again from the right needle to the left. Then I'm going to slip the 3rd stitch with the shared yarn over, again knitwise from the left needle to the right. Then I'm going to slip all 3 stitches with the shared yarn over, purlwise this time, from the right needle to the left. Then using my knit coloured yarn, I'm going to knit all 3 of those stitches together with the shared yarn over, knitting them together through the back legs. Then I can work the yarn over manoeuvre, taking the purl coloured yarn to the back of the work, going over the top of the right needle and bringing it to the front once more, coming between the 2, and bringing the knit coloured yarn to the front of the work, also coming between the 2 needles. Now I'm going to do the reverse of that decrease for the reverse side of the fabric. I'm going to slip 1 stitch knitwise with the shared yarn over from the left needle to the right. Then I'm going to slip the yarn over on its own, knitwise again from the right needle to the left. Then I slip a 2nd stitch with the shared yarn over, knitwise again from the left needle to the right. Then I slip the yarn over on its own once again, knitwise from the right needle to the left. Then I'm going to slip the final stitch knitwise with the shared yarn over from the left needle to the right. And then I'm going to slip all 3 stitches with the shared yarn over, purlwise this time, from the right needle to the left. Now I'm going to slip 2 stitches together along with the shared yarn over, together and purlwise through the back legs, coming right round the back here, entering from behind there and slipping them over with the shared yarn over like so. Then I'm going to slip the shared yarn over on its own, also purlwise through the back leg, this time from the right needle to the left like that. Then I'm going to slip the last stitch, also purlwise through the back leg, also with the shared yarn over like that, from the left needle to the right. Now I can slip all of those 3 stitches together and purlwise together with the shared yarn over from the right needle to the left, and then all I need to do is purl those 3 stitches together just through the front legs as normal, and take the knit coloured yarn to the back of the work to finish. As you can see on the front of the work, I've got this beautiful centered double decrease with the other 2 stitches tucking themselves behind the center stitch there. No blips in evidence. Turning the work over, exactly the same is true on the back. A beautiful centered double decrease with no color blips. And that is how to work the Blip-Free centered double decrease with setup in double knitted brioche.